Wait a second. What was that raining taco? Elizabeth? Who's Elizabeth? Okay, never mind. Let me check. Hey, why is there a dance party in my house? Okay, never mind. Who is this guy? Hello, I am a manager. Today is Rainy Taco World. Okay, yours pronounce is so hard. Wow, there's so many raining taco. Wait, I got raining taco in my bag. Oh, what is this? Taco Bell? Wait, there's Taco Bell right here? Oh my gosh. Don't. Okay, so we're gonna go back at the house and... Hey, who is this guy? Oh, Taco Bell, I love you. Okay, I will go away right now. Later, stupid. This guy is so stupid. And it goes to the Taco Bell. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's having a party. Ooh, I like this party. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's so many. Yeah, I know it, right? Wait, how can players can talk? I like this. Let's dance party.
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Are you stealing tacos? Oh yeah, you are eating a taco. Yummy. Is it yummy? Yummy. Wait, this is the Taco Bell. Oh my gosh, I eat the Taco Bell. Okay, never mind. Lantern. Wait a second. Yeah, who's this stupid guy? Okay, I didn't know about this. Hey, you put this in here. Sorry, it was an accident. What? An accident? His meaning about this thing is an accident? Well, it's not an accident, actually. It does kind of look like this and you just make this raining taco. Well, I actually love tacos, so never mind. Ooh, I'm having this party. And I got this man face. Yeah, I know you have a man face. Is this a Roblox tutorial? Oh my gosh. Hey, why is there a car in here? A stupid car right here.
It's raining tacos.
It's a bridge. Hey! Oh my gosh! Ooh, I almost touched that water. Under construction. You mean this thing is under construction? Oh my gosh, there's so many tacos. Look at the sky. It's so many tacos. Is that a black hole? Oh no, there's a black hole. Hey, watch out! The black hole is in. Wait, how is it already night? Okay, never mind. Wait a second. Is this the hacker game? It says welcome. Okay, never mind. I do want to explore in here. Bird King. Bird King. Okay, I'm gonna collect. What is that hole right there? Go investigate. I mean, guys, we're gonna go right there, and I will go to the hill. This is kind of like creepy. There's gonna be bad for me if someone will ban for me. What? There's a taco right here. Okay, never mind.
It's raining tacos.
Yeah, that's it. The raining taco.
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth.
I just see a taco right there. Just a taco. But how do you get that? Okay, never mind. You're eating taco, and I'm eating taco. Wait, can we go to the Choco Bear? I wonder. Wait, how did you get that? They have look like a admin. They look like hackers for some reason. Okay. Here's a ring Choco. Orange for. Okay, never mind. Hey, how to get in? Is this a sign? Okay, never mind. Bryce, empty. Bryce,
It's
this
raining
whole place is empty.
tacos. Raining
Okay, never mind.
tacos. Raining tacos.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!